Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the sound of your voice in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to hit the record button here and I'm going to select my microphone, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to basically talk into the microphone and basically say anything that I want. Then once you're done, you're just going to select the red button again, and then I'm just going to zoom out a little bit on this one. Select the audio, go to voice changer, and here you have a lot of options. So there's voice filters, voice characters. You can even make it like a song. So I'm going to select the voice characters and I'm going to select trickster, and this is what it should sound like at the end. I think it might be a little bit too loud.
And basically say anything that I want. Then once you're done, you're just going to select the red button again.
And basically say anything that I want. Then once you're done, you're just going to select the...
And that's how you can change your voice into something else. What I usually hear on TikTok is a trickster one and Jessie one. So if you want to use that, but you can use anything that you want. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!